In this video, I'm going to talk about how to add a podcast to a page. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to the location where the podcast is. So we put in the link where the podcast is, and here is your podcast. And you see right down below the podcast, we have two options. One is to download and one is to embed. We're going to want to embed this podcast on your website. So I'm going to click embed. And there's some code here. In order to copy the code, I click on copy. Now what I want to do is I want to log into your website and get to your main page. Then I'm going to navigate to the page where I want to put it. In this case, I want to put this on your parenting and education page. When I hover over this, it gives me the option of opening the page in the page builder, which is called Beaver Builder. I'm going to click on that, and what I do is I get this plus sign up here on the top. I want to click on the plus sign, and the option right here is HTML, and I just copied some HTML code from the place where the podcast was, so I'm going to grab this HTML module. I'm going to drag it down into this area where I want to put it. Wherever this blue line appears, that's where this is going to be. So I want to put it right in this left-hand column. So I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to drop it right into there. Then I'm going to paste my code, which I had copied, paste it right into here, click on save, and boom, the podcast appears right on the page. Now I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on done and then publish. And I'm going to go to the actual page on the website, and which is your parenting education page. I'm going to click on refresh. And boom, your podcast is on that page. So you can listen, and your visitors can listen to that podcast.